Hey everyone, welcome back to Jainixi Watch Unboxing. Today we have a real treat for you as we unbox and review the Pagani Design PD-1638 automatic mechanical skeleton watch. If you're a watch enthusiast like me, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into the unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our watch-related content. Alright, let's get started. Here's the Pagani Design PD-1638 watch. As you can see, the packaging is quite elegant with the Pagani Design logo on the front. It's always a good sign when a watch arrives in a box like this. This moment of truth. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have the Pagani Design PD-1638 automatic mechanical skeleton watch, a warranty card, and a user manual. Always good to have the manual handy for reference. Now, let's take a closer look at this beautiful timepiece. The Pagani Design PD-1638 features a stunning skeleton dial that allows you to see the intricate mechanical movement at work. It has a stainless steel case with a diameter of 40 mm and thickness of 12 mm 144.5 grams of weight. The watch feels solid and well crafted. The sapphire crystal on the front is scratch resistant and a genuine leather strap, ensuring your watch remains looking pristine for years to come. This watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, so it can handle a bit of splashing, but I wouldn't recommend swimming with it. It's powered by an automatic movement, so no need for a battery here, and you can even see the balance wheel and gears working through the skeleton dial. As you can see, the back of the watch is transparent, allowing you to observe the intricate mechanical movement in action. It's like peering into the heart of this timepiece. This is a feature that not only adds to the aesthetics of the watch, but also allows you to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into its making. Another remarkable feature of the Pagani Design PD-1638 is its wind-up automatic movement. This is something that watch enthusiasts really appreciate. Let's delve into how it works. At the heart of this watch is a mechanical movement that doesn't require a battery. Instead, it's powered by the kinetic energy of your wrist's movements. To keep it running, you'll need to wind it up manually, and that's where the crown comes into play. To wind this watch, simply pull out the crown and turn it clockwise. With each turn, you're storing energy in the mainspring. Once fully wound, this watch can keep precise time for hours, days, or even longer, depending on the power reserves. Let's try it on. The genuine leather strap is comfortable, and the deployment butterfly clasp is a superb feature. It ensures a secure and snug fit on your wrist, and it's incredibly convenient to use. You won't have to fumble with traditional buckles, and it helps preserve the longevity of the strap by reducing wear and tear. The watch has a nice weight to it. It feels incredibly well made and durable. So after unboxing and trying on the Pagani Design PD-1638, I'm truly impressed with the quality and craftsmanship of this watch. The skeleton design adds a touch of elegance, and the automatic movement is a watch enthusiast's dream. You can find this watch on the official Pagani Design website, or I'll include all the links in the description below. That's it for today's unboxing and first impressions of the Pagani Design PD-1638. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments section. And remember to subscribe for more watch-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.